Hello friends, in this video I am back with one more opportunity where you can get a free t-shirt from a hash node. So friends, hash node, I'm going to tell what is hash node and how you can get this t-shirt. But firstly, please subscribe my channel. Here you are on the career edge, and this is a platform where I notify you all with different type of opportunities which is mainly related to the students in the colleges and also for professionals. So here you can see different type of opportunities, also some giveaways from my side, and also free goodies opportunities, and internship opportunities, and other educational opportunities you can see on my channel. So please subscribe my channel and like this video also, so that this video get more and more views. So let me show you how you can get this free t-shirt. So just I'm going to show you. So this is the hash node site. Firstly, I'm just going to show you what is hash node. So here, so you can see here, when there is a link in the description, and when you go through it, here you can see there is a link in the description, and when you go through it you find this tab. And just I'm going to show you how you can get free t-shirt. So this is the free this is the platform of hashnode. And what hashnode is providing, this is just like Medium. If you know about Medium is a blogging platform where many type of developers and mainly related to the tech field write some blogs, which is very helpful for others also. So here you can see everything you need to start blogging as a developer. So if you are a developer and you want to write some blogs, so you can write here. I'm just going to show you how you can get the free t-shirt. But when you go through the link in the description, firstly you can go through here, create an account option. So you can see at the above there is an option of create an account, and just tap on that. And here you can create your account by different type of thing. Just like I am just going through my Google account, and here just I created my account. So let's see. So here it asks for your hash code username. Firstly, your full name, hash code username, your tagline, and your email address, which you can see here. So you can pick any type of username. So this is my username. You can just go through any username. When you write your name, you just find some suggestions. You can go through that suggestions also. Your tagline, if you want, then you can, because this is an optional thing, I think. So here just you go through the next tab. You can see your personal blog name and different type of things you need to do. So when you create your account, personal blog name, you can write here, just like my blog name is career as. Here you can see, and here you can write any type of blog, but I think this domain is available, and you just go, you can see here congrats, that's available. And you can go through the next tab, and you can write your blog here. So this is the thing what hashnode is providing. But now I am just going through the how you can write any type of blogs. You can see here JavaScript, Node.js. So I think you get it how you can create your account. So after that, here I just showing you, you can see here this is my account, and I got my account. So next thing, how you can get a free t-shirt on this. When you go through the link in the description, you find this platform, and there also you can find here ambassador program on hashnode. So when you go through the ambassador program on hashnode, then you got this free t-shirt. What you need to do, you need to create your account first. As I show you how you can create your account. So by that you can create your account first, and after that you have a chance to get free t-shirt. How you can get free t-shirt, there is a ranking you can see here. You need to do, what you need to do is, you need to create your account, and need to just here come on this page, this ambassador page. You can find the link in the description also. You can see here at the above your referrals board. So total 0 and today 0. So this here you got your referral points, and you need to just go through here. You can see here there is my referral URL is here. You can see here's your referral URL. You need to copy this, and share with your friends. And when they go through this referral and got here go through this hash note site and just create their account, then what you got, you if you are top performer of that day, today's top referrals. So here you can see there are many students who are performing very well here. So you can choose any days, and this is not that one day when you create your account then the referral is going to count on that day also. They are going to give away free t-shirt daily through this referral leaderboard, and who leads that leaderboard get a free t-shirt on that day. So I am just going to show you that this is not any means they are not going to cheat you, because you can see there is a list of all the students who get free t-shirt from here. So you can just go through their profile and you can ask for that. And I am just going to show you how their referral and how their swag kit looks like, and also you can see here how it works. Use your referral link to invite your friends. Invite 3 friends to join Hasnode using your referral link and unlock your ambassador role instantly. So here you are going to firstly go through, if you share more than 3 times, you got an ambassador program. You get your ambassador badge on the Hashnode platform. And next thing, if you share more than, means if your referral is more than 3 and if you top on that day, then you got a free Hashnode t-shirt. You can see here exclusive Hashnode t-shirt. And not only t-shirt, there are different bunch of things you can see here. So I am just going to show you. Here you can see this man got a free t-shirt with some free stickers. So you can see here on the Twitter he posted that. So you can see here is a free t-shirt, and just I am going to show you the free stickers also. So this is the thing. And also I am just going to show you, this is from India, Ayushi Rawat, and she also got, let me show you. She got a free t-shirt, notebook. You can see here, you can see free t-shirts are there and also a free notebook. So this type of things you can also got through this platform. And you can see more type of things here. This man, this is also from India and named Darshisha. Okay, Darshisha, and he also got a free T-shirt, 2 notebooks, and a coffee mug, which you can see here. So this type of things you all can get. And if you want to get this, so there is only one thing that you need to just go and share this thing. So also there are many new things which is coming on this platform for sharing. So I am just going to show you what is that. This is the brand assets, and in the below you can see different type of swags are there. Firstly, there is a black t-shirts are there, white t-shirt, and here two type of t-shirts are there. 2 colors are there. You can go through any you can ask for any t-shirt, any color. And also there is a bag and also a coffee mug. So maybe which is available at that time when you got a chance of getting the free goodies on this platform, then you got that. So I just show you what type of goodies are available on this platform of Hashnode. And there is a chance of ambassador also. There is a chance of getting cash incentives from the Hashnode also. So just must participate in this Hashnode platform. And how to complete your profile, I just show you. So go and get this free t-shirt from Hashnode. You all get that how to create your account Hashnode, how to get a free goodies from Hashnode. So this is the whole in this video. This is my channel Career Edge. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you want this type of videos more and more, please show your support by hitting the like button. And also please share this video with your friends, because if they want how to create on the account of on this platform, so they can do with this video also. So that's much in this video. Meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.